I am now going to show the dashboard contents. You see there are some static contents in the dashboard of the admin panel, but here actually it is possible to show some real contents, so I am going to work with that. Into the admin panel, if I go to the admin main page, that means admin home page controller, that means admin the dashboard. So actually here not home page controller, this is admin dashboard. So here I am going to check the admin dashboard. So when the admin login, then he will the first page what he will see, that is the dashboard, right? So in the admin controller, if you go to the dashboard, you will see only there is admin dashboard showing, but there is no data here. Now I am going to send some data into there. For example, how many total causes are in there. So here in that case I can call here the causes. So cause model. So here I can call the cause model where I am going to check causes. So how many causes? Total 3 causes, right? So here I can use the count. So count function, total causes equal to this. Here using the compact I can pass the total causes into the dashboard. So into the dashboard I am going to the admin of dashboard. So admin of dashboard means actually this one, dashboard.blade.php. Here instead of total news categories, here total causes I can show here, that is the total causes, this variable, right? So if I now go to the admin, here refresh, you see total causes 3. So real data is coming now. So in this way, if you want, you can show everything. So like that, total events, total event I can use here using the total events equal to event of count, and here I can add another one, total events. So here I am going to copy, and here total events, for example, and this is total events. So events. Now if I go here into the dashboard, refresh, total events equal to 4. In this way you can show a lot of data. For example, total testimonial, if I want to show the testimonial here, that is testimonial. So here I am going to show that total testimonials, equal to the testimonial of count, and here I can show the total testimonials. So this one I am going to show here, total testimonials equal to this variable. So you see total 2 testimonials. So you can change the icons here that are showing, these are actually the font of some icons, so you can change those easily. For now I am going to show the sample icons. For example, in the layout, what I used in the case of sidebar, there was the icon that was FAS, FA hand point, right? Just I am going to use this one like this, but if you want you can change that, okay? But I am not going to change it. I am going to use the same icon for all, but you should change it. I am again saying you should change it. So after that I am going to show another one, that is total users. So here total users I can show here. So here I can use like this, that is user model and user model, but not all the users. I want to show only the valid users. So here in the users table, if I go, you will see here is remember token. Okay, all the users that are showing here are verified for now, so I am going to show the verified users. So here I am going to use the total users. So user here, and here I can use the total users. This one I am going to show here total users. So refresh, you see total users are 2. and total volunteers I can show here. That is, for example, I am going to copy this one. The color is success color here, and this is on primary again, total volunteers, and here total volunteers. So from the volunteer I am going to call, that is volunteer, and here I can call the total volunteers equal to volunteer count, and here I am going to show the total volunteers. So if I now refresh, you see total 4 volunteers are there. Okay, so total 4 volunteers. So event causes volunteers, total photos, if you want you can show the photos, etc. I am going to show the subscribers, that is important. Total subscribers. So here total subscribers equal to subscriber count, and this one I am going to send here, that is total subscribers. So I am going to copy this one, and here I am going to paste, that is total subscribers. So if I now go here, refresh, you see total subscribers. In this way you can show the total post, that is the warning. After that, here is total posts. So total posts I can show here from the post table, that is post, and here I can call total posts equal to post count, and here I can pass the data total post. So here refresh, you see total posts, and there I can use 2 more sections, that is counters. What are the more important sections? That can be photos and videos. Okay, that's okay. Event photos, not this, the photos is this photos table. So photos and videos. Okay, so I can call here, that is photo, and another one is video. So here total photos equal to photo of count, and total videos equal to video counts, and here it will be total photos and total videos. So here I can call, here is this one, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, now green and blue. Okay, so here I am going to copy, here it will be green, and here it will be total photos. Here is photos, and this one I am going to copy and paste it, total videos will be here. Total videos. So refresh it, you see total photos not showing. Why? Here busy, success, not green. So you see these are the basic information I just show in front of you, so that you can understand how to control the dashboard. But if you want, you can show a lot of things here. You can show the recent post, if you want you can show the statistics, etc. You can show in this location.